wrecked by nature. Be wrecked by nature.
Be wrecked by nature.
Man, what's up, world? Thank y'all for tuning in into today's vlog. Today, y'all, is a practice day. It's practice day. Hannah, right here, she been wanting to wheelie her bike. You feel me? Peer pressure, I've been telling you to do this?
No.
I know, because the only person I tell to do this is Jamaris. You feel me? I be trying to get later to do wheelies and everything. But today, you say you wanna go to a field and you wanna wheelie, right? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. But right now, I'm about to go test out the field. I'm about to see if the bike gonna even pick up because of the grass. It rained earlier. So let's see. I made that look bad, huh? You use the hot start?
You know that.
Yummy zone.
Hey, I ain't been on a dirt bike in forever. I've been on the road. That's all I'm gonna say for right now.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Alright, as we can see, it is possible. Hannah is tricky out there a little bit, but we here to practice balance, you feel me? So I just go out there, just ride it, you feel me? Just get a feel of the grass first, just feel of everything, turning, because that's what I do. That's what I was just doing.
This dude trying to set me up for
No, set you up. Tell put the camera over here. Set her up for failure is letting her practice right here. Your bike gonna fall, you gonna break your levers, you gonna break your grips, and you gonna be hurting. Instead of just doing it in the grass.
A nigga like me, I'll do it on the concrete. If you fall, it is what it is.
If you want to start off on the car, you can start the wheelie right now.
Yeah, do that.
Already in the wheelie.
Do that.
Let me try. Make sure. I'm in first gear too. Hey, it's actually perfect out there because it's gonna teach you throttle control. Too much throttle, your tire's gonna spin. If you do that if you do a nice little pop and put a little weight on the back, like, you know, just easy smooth, you're gonna be good.
Shit.
Alright, y'all, she going, huh? I mean, I had did it at first. You could do it at first, you would be light on it. I think first to be good, because first automatically gonna come up. Just a little bit, but pop, you're gonna be alright. She got it. You doing good. You doing good, so don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. I'm already know she gonna come talking about the slipping, but if you just ride and just like do it smoothly, you're gonna be alright. Alright, you gotta do it while you're rolling. And both feet on the peg, so you could be rolling a little bit slow. She felt that. She ain't popping that clutch on her.
No, she not.
I hope the camera not the one that's messing with her.
She rolling off the clutch. What you gotta say?
It's hot out here for a pound.
I'm gonna roll out the clutch pop. You gotta pop that clutch. coach somebody. I suck my damn self. Suck, dog. I ain't tripping. Let's go! Let's go! Right now!
Not a video copyrighted because of the whistle. Somebody owned the rights to that whistle.
Say, you wanna know something I'm saying? You wanna know what I think? Huh?
Huh?
You wanna know what I think?
What you think?
He said, I think we need you to demonstrate. We need you to demonstrate for Hannah, dawg. Go show her how it's done, by Jesus. Oh, it's wet right there. Hey, we need you to demonstrate, dawg.
Y'all know.
Alright, 150 shawty. Alright. Pop that clutch, man. We need more like that last one. Put your feet on the brakes. Slow down.
She going too fast and she going too slow.
She going too fast. She ain't going too slow.
Nah, she is. She keep coming to a stop.
Slow your ass down. Say, you going too fast and you going too slow. Word from Jake. Word from Jake. But now on the real though, you gotta put some pop into it. You're not popping your clutch. You know your clutch is like, you don't gotta put it all the way in. You can put it about right there, you hear me? Pop that bitch. Yeah, you gotta really pop. You feel me? Round, pop. Round, pop. Round, pop. You feel me? Not a You feel me? You gotta round, pop. Round, pop. Your body straight and you just like pop.
Hey, get out the fucking way.
And you keep your arms like this. Damn, son, who that big ass dog over there?
That's a big boy.
What the fuck?
Oh, but the camera can't catch him. Oh yeah, do it there.
Say, who the fuck?
Big. I'm gonna go see.
Y'all niggas ain't got the gun. You gotta go ride about it,
I'm
boy?
gonna go see what's up.
Don't get caught, go ahead. Say, turn the camera on.
Camera on.
Don't fall. Oh, he coming over here. Come on, it's time to go. I gotta go.
No, it's not, man.
Fall down.
Man, you better use your fucking hands.
What, a pit bull?
Fucking right. Jacob flooded the bike. He done flooded the bike. Now he blaming it on my head.
Use the hot stuff.
Hannah, it's Jacob's fault. Don't
Why
worry
are you
about it.
recording this? Like, can you wait till I take off?
worry
No,
about the camera.
this the
Like,
bloopers.
Don't.
Flag on the play.
Don't worry about the camera. Oh, maybe I'm the reason the dog come in. Oh, shit.
Stupid ass.
Alright, y'all. The whistle has retired. Let's get it. Let's get it started up.
Can you stop recording me now?
You recording me.
Like, y'all not about to get me stupid on here. Like,
Yeah, all of us were stupid on the.
fuck, but I'm learning. Like,
Yeah, if you want to start the bike and just let's go.
Come on, I'm rooting for you. You got this, bro. You at all these niggas top, remember? Yeah! All I want to say is, I hope she don't loop that bitch. Oh, she know. Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Wait,
Bro,
what she know?
bro, she know.
Vroom, vroom. Man, you gotta- oh! Say, come on, shawty. Oh my, slow down! Wait, Sam, I'm scared to even take the camera from off her.
Girl, when she fall, okay.
I think you're trying to willy.
You gave up? Don't give up. She back at it, y'all. She ain't quit.
No quit.
No
What
quit.
is a quit? If y'all ain't see her shirt, y'all better go look at it.
What, y'all gonna continue to laugh at me?
No.
That's fucked up. Like, y'all making me want to just say fuck it. Like,
Don't say fuck it.
Easier because it's grass.
I say no. I say learn how to do it in the grass. He want to take you to another spot where he learn how to willy at.
Yeah, on the I can't do this shit in grass neither. Man. No, man. You gotta fade away in the dirt bike.
I know. Fuck, I just got on this dirt bike shit. Fuck. I'm learning though.
Grass gonna be hard.
Don't do it.
Either way it's what?
No, not either way. At the other spot, you good. That bike coming in the air. It's all on you to put it back down and stay on.
That's the hard thing right there. That's not the hard thing. That's like the main thing. You feel me? But your foot keep coming off the brakes. You feel me? So you could get it up in here. Even if you you start your willy right here. Start it right here. If you want to feel the bike come up, start it right there. By that line. Just know it's gonna come up. It won't slide. That's what it's not gonna do. It's gonna slide. So if you want to see how it feel to pop the clutch, but you gotta keep your foot on the brakes and you gotta keep your body straight. What's good, Wrecked by Nature? Wrecked by Nature family. Got LJ in the building. Stop playing, man. You already know real Wrecked by Nature, man. Real nature boy. That's my dude right there, man. Tell them subscribe to the channel. Subscribe Jacob's Lifestyle right now. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Wrecked by Nature, baby. Close them out. Go like that. You gotta cover it. Right there. You gotta cover the screen right there. There you go.